Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So we're going to start with the chapter applying quadratics, that is from the Nelson Principles Nelson grade 10 maths. That is chapter 5 in the book. And the lessons we're going to cover today from the chapter are chapter 5 it is. Solving problems using quadratic relations, connecting standard and vertex form. Then we'll start a chapter surface, area and volume. You can find a chapter on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Got it? So let's just start with the first lesson, that is solving problems using quadratic relations. Let me just go to the book. Okay. What's wrong? Okay, let's start with the. Okay, here we are on the lesson solving problems using quadratic relations. Got it? So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. Okay, here we are on the practice question. So let's just solve with the, let's start with the practice question. Question number 4. Determine the equations of a quadratic relation in vertex form. So we have to write down the quadratic, we have to write down the equations in vertex form. So vertex is 0, 3 and the passes through the point 2, negative 5. Got it? Okay, vertex is 0, 3 and the point is 2, negative 5. Vertex 0, 3 and the point is 2, negative 5. Got it? We have to write down the equation in vertex form. So it would be y equals, this is h and this is k, x minus h, it is x minus 0 whole square, and plus k is 3. Got it? So it would be y equals ax minus 0 is x, ax square plus 3. Got it? So now I'm going to use this point to calculate the value of y. Got it? This is x and this is y. Negative 5, a times 2 square plus 3. Negative 5, negative 3 is 2 times 2 is 4a. Negative 8 equals 4a, so a equals negative 2. Got it? So just write down the value in the equation. It will be y equals negative 2x square plus 3. Got it? That is the equation. Got it? Okay. Determine the equation of the parabola. Okay, let's start. Here you are given with the vertex and one of the point the parabola is passing through. That is exactly the same one we did in question number 4. Got it? Let's just do question number 4, 5D. The vertex is 0, 4. The point passing through is 2, 2. Got it? So vertex is 0, 4 and the point it is passing through is 2. So you have to write down the equation of the parabola. Got it? So it would be y equals a times, this is h and this is k, x minus 0 whole square and plus 4. So it would be y equals ax square plus 4. Now I'm going to use this point to find the value of a. Got it? So 2 equals a 2 square plus 4. Move 4 to the other side. 2 minus 4 is 2 times 2 is 4a, minus 2 over 4 equals a, and a equals negative 1 over 2. So the equation would be y equals negative 1 over 2x square and plus 4. Got it? That is the equation of the parabola. Got it? Okay. The next one is, okay, let's just start with question number 9. Express each equation in standard form and factored form. Got it? Let's start with question number 9. Express each equation in standard form and factored form. So the equation is y equals x minus 4 whole square minus 1. The equation is y equals x minus 4 whole square minus 1. X minus 4 whole square minus 1. Got it? So let's just expand x minus 4 whole square. It would be x square minus 4 times 2 is 8x plus 16 minus 1. Got it? So it is x square minus 8x, 16 minus 1 is 15. So let's just make the factors. X square 15. 5 times 3 is 15. So it would be minus 5x minus 3x and plus 15. So it is x and x minus 5 minus 3 and x minus 5. So the factors are x minus 3 and x minus 5. Got it? So this is the factored form of the equation. Got it? The standard form is, this is the standard form, y equals x square minus 8x plus 15. That would be the standard form, and that would be the factored form. Got it? Okay. Okay, let's just do one of the word problem. Let's just do question number 13. Got it? Let's start with question number. Mm, okay, let's start question number 15. A movie theater can accommodate a maximum of 350 moviegoers per day. The theater operators have been changing the admission price to find out how price affects ticket sales and profits. Currently, they charge $11 a person and sell about 300 tickets per day. After reviewing their data, the theater operators discovered that they could express the relation between profit P and the number of $1 price increases x as P equals 20 times 15 minus x11 plus x. Determine the vertex form of the profit equation. What ticket price results in the maximum profit? What is the maximum profit? About how many tickets will be sold at this price? Got it? So the equation is P equals 20 times 15 minus x. P equals 20 times 15 minus x and 11 plus x. Okay. So first of all, we have to determine the vertex of the profit equation. So first of all, we have to calculate the vertex of the. So the equation is in factored form. Got it? 15 minus x and 11 plus x. So the x-intercepts are 15 and negative 11. Got it? When you put the both of them equal to 0, 15 minus x and 11 plus x, it would be 15 and negative 11. So you can calculate the axis of parabola like 15 minus 11 over 2. It would be 4 over 2 and that equals 2. That is the that is the sorry axis of symmetry. Got it? Okay, now you can calculate the vertex. Got it? Just put x equals 2 in the equation. It would be p equals 20, 15 minus 2, 11 plus 2. It would be 20, 13 and 13. Got it? So 13 times 13 is 169. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 6 is 12 and 13. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3. It would be 3380. Got it? That means the vertex is 2 and 3380. Got it? That is the vertex. Okay, now for the B part, what you have to calculate, what ticket price results in the maximum profit? What is the maximum profit? About how many tickets will be sold at this price? Now you have to calculate the maximum profit. Got it? So you have to increase $1 increase in the vertex. Got it? So when dollar increase, it would be the new price ticket would be 11 plus 2 equals 13. Got it? And it gives you, here you have 13, it gives you the maximum price, that is 3,318. Got it? So you need to calculate how many tickets. Just divide 3,380 by 13. It would be, that is the maximum profit is 3,380 divided by 30. You will get the maximum ticket. It would be 260. That means there were 260 tickets sold. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. You can complete a practice questions by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the questions, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is correcting standard and vertex forms. Let's just start with the practice questions. So the first question is, a parabola passes through the points 30709 minus 24. Determine the equation of the axis of symmetry. Determine the coordinates of the vertex and write the equation in vertex form. Write the equation in standard form. So let's start with question number 4. So the points are 30709 minus 24. Let me just write them down on the board. 3070 and 9 minus 24 or positive 24? Minus 24 it is. Okay. So we have to find the axis of symmetry. Got it? So they both have same y values. Got it? So you can calculate the axis of symmetry from these 2 points. That would be 5. Got it? So the axis of symmetry is x equals 5. Okay, so the equation we can write is y equals a times, these are the y-intercepts, x minus 3 and x minus 7. Got it? Sorry, they are the x-intercepts. Okay, so let's just put this point in the equation and calculate the a value of a. Got it? Y equals minus 24 a, x minus 9 minus 3, sorry, x is 9. and 9 minus 7. I'm using this point. Got it? Negative 24 equals a, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2. So it is 12, a equals negative 24 over 12 and a equals negative 2. Got it? That means the equation is y equals negative 2, x minus 3 and x minus 7. Got it? Okay, axis of symmetry we have as 5. Let's just put the 5 in the equation. It would be y equals negative 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 7. It is minus 2, 2, minus 2. It would be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, positive 8. That means the y value, it is 8. Got it? So the equation would be, so the vertex would be 5 and 8. Got it? So the equation is y equals negative 2, x minus 5 whole square and plus 8. Got it? That is the equation for this question. Got it? Okay. The next one is, let's just start with question number 10. Determine the values of a and b in the relation y equals x square plus bx plus 8 if the vertex is located at 1 and 7. Okay. The equation is ax square plus b plus 8, ax square plus bx plus 8, and the vertex is at 1 and 7. Got it? So vertex is 1 and 7. Got it? So the equation would be y equals a x minus 1 whole square and plus 7. Got it? The y-intercept is 8. Got it? You can look at the equation y equals ax square plus bx plus 8. 8 is the y-intercept. Got it? So that means that is at the 0 and 8. Got it? This is the y-intercept. So it would y-intercept is 0 and 8. So just use the y-intercept and calculate the value of a. Y is 8, a, x is 0 minus 1 whole square plus 7. It is minus a plus 7, 8. 8 minus 7 equals minus a, minus 1 equals a. Got it? No, minus 1 square is positive, so a is positive 1. Got it? That means the equation would be a, replace the a with the value, it would be y equals 1x square plus bx plus 8. Got it? Now, we know that it is 1. Got it? 1 and 7, use this point. 7 equals 1, 1 plus b, 1 plus 8, because we have to calculate the value of a and b. Got it? We have a, now we have to calculate the value of b. 7 equals 1 plus b plus 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and 7 minus 9 is b equals negative 2. Got it? That means the value of b is negative 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Now we're going to start with the chapter surface area and volume. We're going to start with the first lesson, that is introduction to surface area and volume. So this is start with the first lesson. You can find a lesson on grade 10 maths aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10. You can follow the same step like I'm doing. Click on view all chapters and start with the chapter surface area and volume. So we're going to start with the first lesson, that is introduction to surface area and volume. Got it? Okay, what is the volume? You have to calculate the volume of the cube. Got it? So each side of the cube is 9 millimeters long. So the volume of the cube is side times side times side. You need to do 9 times 9 times 9. That would be 729 cubic millimeter. Got it? Okay. What is the surface area? You have to calculate the surface area of each face. Got it? But each face is in the pair. Got it? So let's start with the rectangular one. It would be 6 times, it has the measurement 6 and 3, so it would be 6 times 3 is 18. So it is the faces are in the pair. So then the smaller side has 3 and 2 dimensions, it would be 6. Then 2 and 6, it would be 18. So for the surface area you have to add up all the areas, 18 plus 18 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the volume? So for the volume you have to, the side lengths are 20 feet. The side lengths are 20 feet. So it is 20 times 20 times 20. So it would be 8,000 cubic feet. Got it? So the surface area is 8,000 cubic feet. Got it? Okay, what is the volume? So you have to calculate the volume. So you have to, okay, you have to calculate the volume of the uh, given figure. So you have to do side times side times side. Got it? It would be 7 times 3 times 15. The dimensions are 7 times 3 times 15. Got it? It would be 21 times 15. Let me just, 21 times 15 is 315 cubic meter. Got it? So that means the volume for the figure is 315 cubic feet. Got it? Okay. What is the volume? So again, you have to do side times side times side. Got it? Let me just do the calculations on the calculator. 11 times 12 times 15. So it is 1980 cubic centimeters. Got it? What is the surface area? So you have to calculate the surface area. Got it? And it is a cube. Cube has 6 faces. So let's just calculate the surface area of one face and multiply it by the 6, because it is a cube and cube has all the same dimensions. Got it? So the surface area of one face is 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So surface area has 6 faces. So it would be 6 times 9, and 6 times 9 is 54. So the surface area of the cube is 54. Got it? It is 54 square centimeters. Got it? Okay, what is the volume? So for the volume, you have to do side times side times side. Got it? It would be 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 times 2 is 40. 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 times 4 is 80. So it is 80 cubic inches. Got it? Okay, what is the surface area? So to calculate the surface area of the uh, shape, you have to calculate the surface area of each face, and each face is in the pair form. Got it? So you have to do this side. Got it? It would be 9 and 3. This is 9 and this is 3. 9 and 4. Got it? So it would be 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Got it? It is in the pair. 9 and 4. It is 36. Got it? Okay, now 4 and 3, the smaller side. Got it? The smaller side has the dimension 4 and 3. It would be 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? So same as for the other side, it would be 12. Okay, now 9 and 3. The other side is 9 and 3. So it would be 27, and 9 and 3, it would be 27. You have to add up for the surface area, you have to add up all the values. It would be 36 plus 36 plus 12 plus 12 plus 27 plus 27. Let's just add all the values. It would be 36 plus 36 plus 12 plus 12 plus 27 plus 27. Got it? So it would be 150. So the surface area of the shape is 150. Got it? Okay, so the what is the surface area? That is a cube. So cube has all sides equal in length. So let's just calculate the surface area of one face and multiply it by the 6. Got it? So the dimensions are 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 6 is 6. Got it? Okay, you have to calculate the surface area. So calculate the surface area of each face. Got it? Like the front one has the dimensions 5 and 5. So it has the surface area of 25, and same is to the opposite side like this one. So 25 plus 25. Then this one is 6 times 5 is 30, and on the other side also 30. So it would be 30 plus 30. And this one is 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30, and the other pair is also 30. Got it? So it would be 120, and 50 is 170. So the surface area is 170 for this shape. Got it? For this, it is 170. Got it? Okay. Let's just calculate the surface area for this shape. Got it? So for this face, it is 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. So opposite side must have 6. Got it? Okay. 7 times 3 is 21. The opposite side must have 21. Okay, this one is 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14 it is. So the other must have 14. So it is 28, 42, 82 it is. So the surface area for this one is 82. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Surface area of prisms and cylinders. Now we're going to learn how to calculate the surface area of the prisms and cylinders. So that is the one. What is the surface area? We have to do the same thing like we just did. You have to calculate the area of each face and each face in each pair. Got it? And then you have to add them. Got it? Okay, let's just see how to calculate the surface area of the cylinder. So here is a cylinder. The dimensions given are the length is 5, height is 5 and radius is 6. Radius is 6 and height is 5. Got it? So you have to calculate the area. You have to calculate the area of top and area of bottom. Area of top and area of bottom must be same. Got it? So it would be pi r square. Got it? Pi r square is 78.5. Got it? Then you have to calculate the circumference of the top circle. The circumference is c equals to pi r. It would be 2 times 3.14 times 5. Then you have to calculate the area of side. It would be c times 1.4. Got it? The circumference we just calculated multiply by 5, and the last step you have to add them all. Area of top, area of bottom, and area of side. Got it? Okay. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the surface area? You have to calculate the surface area of each face in pair and you have to add them. That's the one we just did in the lesson. So for this face, it is the front face. It is 6 times 2, it is 12. It would be 12 plus 12. Then 9 times 2 is 18. It would be 18 plus 18. And 9 and 6. 9 times 6 is 54. So for this one, it is 54 and 54. Got it? Let's just add them. Okay, let me just use the calculator. 54 plus 54 plus 36 plus 24. It is 164. So the area for the surface area for the shape is 168. Got it? So it is 168. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the surface area? Okay, let's just calculate the surface area of the shape. So it is, oh, wait. Okay. You have to calculate the area of the rectangle, triangular shapes. Got the area of the triangle is half times base times height. So it would base is 12 and height is 8. So it would be half times 12 times 8. That would be 48. Got it? Then you have to calculate the area of the two sides. That would be that has the dimensions 10 and 10. Got it? The triangular prism has 5 sides. Got it? It would be 10 times 10 is 110. Then you have to find the area of the base. That would be 12 times 10. So for the surface area, you have to add them, add all the areas. So it would be 416. Got it? Okay, what is the surface area? So it is the prism. it is the cube, and it has all the same dimensions. 1 times 1 is 1, and it has total 6 faces, so multiply the value by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Okay, what is the surface area? So just calculate the surface area of all the faces. So it would be 7 times 5 is 35. So it would be 35 and plus 35. 10 times 7 is 70 it is. So just add 70 plus 70. So 30, 10 and 7, 10 and 5, it would be 50. So it is plus 50 and 50. 100 and 140 is 240, it is 310. Got it? So the correct option is 310. Okay, now what is the surface area of the cylinder? So first of all, you have to calculate the surface area of top and then surface area of the bottom. So the surface area of the top is a circular shape. It would be A equals surface area of top and surface area of bottom is equal. It would be pi r square. Radius is 10. So it would be 3.14 times 10 square. Got it? Let me just calculate the value. 314 it is. 100 times 3.14. Yes, that is 314. Got it? Now you have to calculate the circumference of the C equals 2 pi r to 3.14, r is 10. It would be 2 times 3.14 times 10, that is 62.8. You have to calculate area of side. That would be C times H. So C is 62.8 and H is 10. So just do, it is 662.8 times 10. That would be uh, that is the diameter we are given. The radius is 5. Yes, it would be the diameter. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So it would be 5, not 10. Got it? It must be, let me just do it again. You are given the radius, the diameter, that is 10. The diameter, it is 10. You have to calculate the radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2. That would be 5. Now you have to do area of top, area of bottom. That would be pi r square. Pi is 3.14 times 5 square. Let's just calculate the value. 25 times 3.14. That is 78.5. Got it? Okay, now you have to calculate circumference, that is 2 pi r. So it would be 2 times 3.14 times r is 5. That is 31.4. You have to calculate the area of side. That would be C times H. So C is 31.4 and times 10. So 31.4 times 10 is 314. So for the area of cylinder, you have to add them all the areas: 78.5, 31.4 and 314. I think it made 471. Let me just add them. 78.5 plus 31.5 plus 314. It makes 424. Let me see what's wrong with the question. Uh, yes, 78 point. Let me just match all the values. 78.5. Oh, I forgot to add area of top and area of bottom. You have to add this value twice. Got it? 78.5 it is. You have to add it twice. You don't have to add circumference. This one. This one. Here is a mistake that I have made. You don't have to add this value. You have to add this value twice. Got it? Area of cylinder is 78.5 plus 78.5 and plus 314. Got it? So when you add them, it makes 471. Got it? So the correct option is 471. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 10 maths. So the lessons we have covered today are from the chapter Applying Quadratics from the Nelson Principles grade 10 book. The lessons we have covered today are solving problems using quadratic relations, connecting standard and vertex form. Then we have started the new chapter surface area and volume that it is from a+students.com. And the lessons we have covered today are introduction to surface area and volume and surface area of prisms and cylinders. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.